Okay, so I got a lot of comments from my previous video where I challenged the guy from Save Max Realty, Ramandua, and I think people get confused between the correction and the crash, and people were coming with different definitions of crash and what is crash and what is correction. But my point is, guys, it's a useless debate. Whether you call it a crash or correction, that doesn't change the reality. The reality is TREB published the data today, and according to TREB, the market has gone down 47% in terms of sales volume compared to June last year. Okay, so we are in the middle of the peak market period. Like June and July are the most hottest time of the real estate market in GTA as well as in Greater Vancouver area, and in the peak time we are seeing 47% reduction in sales volume. Don't look at the price alone. Price is just one signal. Look at the sales volume, 47%, and compared to last month, I think it's 24% down sales volume. So when you see a significant reduction in the sales volume, which means the buyers are gone, like there is no more buyers available in the market. So and these are the two parameters, and you have to combine this with economic conditions, the rising interest rate, the monetary policy that the Bank of Canada is driving. They're not stopping rate hiking anytime soon. They already announced they're going to do another rate hike in September. They will continue raising rates until it hits the terminal rate, which is 3%, or unless they pull the inflation down to required levels. So there's a lot to happen in the economy, and we are risking ourselves going into recession. You're seeing the gas prices are going up. You're seeing the food inflation is going up. Job losses. Shopify announced 10% job losses. All of these things are pointing towards a recessionary period. What happens in recession? Job losses. People lose their businesses. There will be no more consumer spending in the market. When nobody is spending, nobody is earning. One person's spending is another person's earning. When these two things are not happening in proportion, guess what? There is no economic activity. When there is no economic activity, nobody's buying cars or houses. Okay, so the immigrants are not bringing up full bag of cash. They have to get mortgage. The mortgage conditions are very tight compared to what we had last 2 years, 2 years ago. So that's my message to all of the buyers. Don't buy based on speculation, because you never know what's going to happen next 2 years. Don't buy it because it's going to go up $200,000 next year. If you're buying it for your personal residence, that's another story. But don't buy on speculation.